Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add slide transitions on Canva. So the first step is to open your presentation project. Then from here, open the timeline. So you should see an arrow at the bottom of your screen which is labeled show pages. So simply click on it, then you should see every single page that's part of your presentation. So from here, hover in between the first and the second page, or between the pages you want to add a transition, then select the option add transition. From here you can customize what sort of transition you want to add. So you can choose to use a line wipe, a flow, or even match and move. So you'll notice that with every selection you choose, you can have a preview as well as an option to see how long or how short you want the transition to be. So the longest you can have it is 2.5 seconds. So you can just select slide, 2.5 seconds, and then you just wait for it to give you whatever it is it will do. You also have the option of seeing the directions depending on what type of transition you're choosing. So then once you've selected a transition, you can choose to apply to all pages, or you can give each slide its own transition page. Then once you've made your choice, you'll notice that when you go to present it, then you can use the arrows, or if you're using autoplay, you can just tap on the next one and you should see the presentation appearing. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.